Before you can track any student data using Smart Response, you have to set up your classroom to be able to use it. So you're going to go to Start, All Programs, and under Smart Technologies, look for Smart Tools and Smart Response Teacher Tools. And this should be the only time this trimester that you have to use it. So you can pick your name. When you go to save it, it's going to ask you where you want to save it. And this is important because if you're in more than one classroom, this matters. If you saved it to your desktop, it would only be available on that desktop. Now, I've had some people who have saved it to their Dropbox, other people who have saved it to their home folder, and some who have saved it to their desktop. If I save it to my home folder, this tells me where the data is going to be saved. So whenever I run a Smart Response question in the building, no matter what room I'm in, it knows where to save that data. So now you'll see Mr. Dianchi's gradebook is here. And then to add a class, all I have to do is click Add a Class. So I'm going to call it Algebra 1, and it's first hour, and it's in room 215. And for passing grade, this isn't connected to MyStar, so you can pick whatever you want. If I'm running a formative assessments in class and I want to make sure that kids on average are getting 80% of what I say before I move on, then I can change it to 80%, or you can keep it at 60%. All it does is anything below that number is going to be red when you log in. So if it concerns you that they're during notes 80% of the questions aren't right when you're walking them through the class, then maybe you want to know who that is. Now I'm going to add a second class here, and we're going to show you how to add students or import in another video. So I'm going to add another class, Algebra 1, and this time I'm going to pick second hour, and again it's in 215, and I'm going to put this at whatever number I want. You'll notice that when I add it, now the first and second period show up next to it. So if you're teaching the same class more than once in a trimester, they show up. So now your gradebook has your classes in it. And in order to add students to your class, check out the next video. Go.